Oh no, you do it because I did the.
Okay.
I was so awkward when I did it.
You are super awkward. Hey there, welcome to Mentoring Marisa. We're here again with Sarah, and we're going to make some headshots. So the thing about headshots is that we were just talking about this. It's all about directing, right? But there's lots of different ways you can light it. Today we're going to use basically what is called an active fill light. We want to give great shape to her face, so we've got kind of a punchy light up here, a softbox, Pro Photo extra small. But then we're bouncing into a V flat here to give us some fill, right? Gives us some kind of fill in so we can keep all the shape of the face, but not having it look kind of harsh. And then the background is just white. So let's get to it. Let's shoot some.
Let's do it.
So, as we know, this is the key light, which I have put up here at an angle facing down so that you get the cheekbones, but it also will fill in beautifully on the face. And then over here, we have what is called an active fill light. So we are bouncing this light off of this V-flat so that it gives a little bit more fill to the model's face. And then here, this is just to make the background a little bit whiter.
Exactly, because you can never have a enough white background. Nice, well done, that's exactly it.
And they're like, please, Sarah, Queen Sarah. And you're like, I don't know. And you love the power because, you know, you've just stepped into the role. You're the only woman ever to lead England. And you're like, I have to assert my power. I need respect. All right. Oh my gosh. I think we got some really good expressions, actually. Oh, there's that queen. Okay, so what kind of roles do you want to book?
I want to be able to use these for anything from like a young mom to maybe a detective to like literally, you know, it's kind of neutral in the sense that I give them a lot of room for imagination.
Yeah.
But, you know, I'm like, yeah, I mean, I'm the girl next door, so.
Okay. I want you
But
to.
I mean, listen, I could also be a queen.
You could also be a queen. Well, I think the queen look just gives like that kind of detective look, you know?
Detective.
Because you're like, but maybe look at the camera like you have some kind of a secret that they don't know about. Now try like, this is gonna feel weird, but sticking your jaw forward a little bit. And I want you to like, look at the camera like you're being polite to them, but secretly you also know that they're about to die.
I'm just doing a little.
Yeah, take it. Yeah. Oh, that's perfect. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, now pretend that this camera is like your child. They're like the sweetest, most adorable thing, and you've just baked them a fresh tray of cookies. Yeah! Oh my God, you're the best mom ever. I think we got some good ones. I think those last expressions actually were really good. Oh, Sarah, I love this one.
It's great.
Yeah, those are good. And people like teeth also in there. Do you want to look through them?
Yeah. What do I just go this way?
Yeah.
Marisa does not mess around.
I take so much tension in my lips. That one's really like approachable. Good to you. These are nice too. Is that detective?
That could be a detective.
I don't know.
Do you want to try some that are a detective?
I don't know. What is a detective?
Maybe we could do some where you're looking at a crime scene and thinking about. These could be detective for sure.
Do you think my chin's too far up though? Like,
Yeah.
that looks.
I think it looks good. But you can always push the chin forward, and that will make your jawline more defined.
Okay.
I like the
These
smiling
are
ones
cute.
too.
Yeah, these are really cute. The smiling's always easy for me. It's the serious one. That one's really nice.
Yeah.
That's like approachable,
Yeah.
chill.
But it could be both, yeah. Yeah, you do have a very nice smile.
oh, you can tell I put my shoulders up. That's so funny.
The first one,
But yeah, no, these are. That's great.
that you could do. That's very versatile. That one.
Yeah. Great. I think we're good.
Yeah.
Yep.
I think we got it.
That one's great.
Nice.
Yay!
Yay!
These are all, they're great. I'm just very.
Okay, that was excellent. You can see we actually did a second outfit. Well, Marisa did. I took a break, so we're turning the cameras off. But anyways, it was the same lighting setup. Anyways, that's the key to this, right? Once you have a nice, beautiful lighting setup that works for your subject, for headshots especially, you can bang through a whole bunch of looks pretty quickly. So thank you, Marisa and Sarah.
Thank you, Daniel. Thank
Put
you,
their
Sarah.
information in the description. You guys can follow them. Follow me, Daniel Norton Photographer. Ring the bell and subscribe and do all that other good stuff. And I'll see you next time.